Hi guys, hello, and guess whose birthday today? And I have a guest. It's a friend. I didn't know they came to my place.
And my anak.
And surprised me. My two inaanak is right here. Christine. Shout out to Christine. And the other one, shout out to Tess. And shout out to Minchin.
Yay!
There you go. We don't want to show our face. There you go. It's a beautiful flower. And thank you so much for making my birthday special. Okay? Thank you. Thank you, Ading Ah. Sure.
Bernas.
Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday. Sige.
Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Inang, may kanta.
Happy birthday, dear Lorna. Happy birthday to you. Ano tanong?
And many more.
Birthdays to come. God bless.
Thank you all
Happy
for
birthday,
coming
Ate.
to my birthday.
God bless you always.
I did not expect. I'm 50-year-old.
Oh, blow.
That's a very one.
Blow the candle. Make a wish. Make a wish. Make a wish.
Sayang, di ko naman.
Make a wish. Make a
Make
wish.
a wish.
Pinutol ko na.
Make a wish.
Make a wish.
Okay, make a wish.
Anak mo nag-wish? Hindi ako nag-wish.
Wish ka rin sa akin. There.
There you go.
I just want
Si Marian sa iba din ang...
Tasha, you know Tita Minchin? They come here. They give me
Hi,
birthday.
Tasha. We miss you.
There. They give me a birthday cake. Yeah. There you go. That's Tita Tess.
Tasha.
That's Tita Christine.
Hi, Tasha.
Ayan. Here, you want some of this? That's palabok.
Palabok.
And that's what's this, sushi?
Sushi.
Filipino style.
Yeah, Filipino style sushi.